Dear audience, welcome to my YouTube channel, The Nature's Classroom. Today we will discuss Monarch butterfly. So, what is the Monarch butterfly and which kingdom it belongs? The Monarch butterfly, Danius plexippus, is one of the most iconic and recognizable butterfly species in the world, which belongs to the phylum Arthropoda. Known for its distinctive orange and black wings, the monarch is a migratory species that travels thousands of miles each year from Canada and the United States to Mexico. This incredible journey is considered one of the most remarkable insect migrations on the planet. So it have various physical characteristics. The monarch butterfly has several distinct physical characteristics that make it easy to identify. Wings. The monarch's wings are a distinctive orange color with black veins and white spots. The wings are also adorned with a series of black spots and stripes. Body. The monarch's body is black and white spots and it has a distinctive pair of antennae. Size. The monarch butterfly is a medium sized butterfly with a wingspan of approximately 3.5 to 4 inches, means 8.9 to 10.2 centimeter. Weight. The monarch butterfly weighs approximately 0.02 to 0.04 ounces, means 0.5 to 1.1 gram. Habitat and distribution. The monarch butterfly is found throughout North America, including the United States, Canada, and Mexico. The species is migratory and it travels thousands of miles each year from its summer breeding grounds in the United States and Canada to its wintering grounds in Mexico. So, summer breeding grounds, the monarch butterfly breeds in the United States and Canada during the summer months, where it can be found in a variety of habitats, including meadows, gardens, and forests. Wintering grounds. The monarch butterfly migrates to Mexico each winter, where it can be found in the states of Mexico and California. The species overwinters in the oemal forests of the transvolcanic mountains. So, diet. The monarch butterfly is a herbivore and its diet consists mainly of nectar from flowers. The species is particularly attracted to flowers that are rich in nectar, such as zinnias, cosmos, and marigolds. Larval diet. The monarch butterfly's larvae feed exclusively on milkweed plants, which is scientific name as Asclepiaceae species, which contains toxic chemicals called cardenolides. These chemicals makes the monarch butterfly unpalatable to predators and provide it with protection from predators. Unpalatable means undigestible, untasty. Breeding and nesting. The monarch butterfly breeds in the summer month and the female lays her eggs on milkweed plants. The eggs hatch into larvae which feed on the milkweed plant and grow into pupa. The pupa transform into adult butterflies which emerge and begin the next generation. So it's mating. The monarch butterfly mates in the summer month and the female lays her egg on milkweed plants. The female monarch butterfly lays her egg on the underside of milkweed leaves where they are protected from predators. So, larval development. The monarch butterfly's larvae feed on milkweed plants and grow into pupa over a period of several weeks. Behavior and social structure. So, the monarch butterfly is a solitary species and it does not live in colonies like some other butterfly species. However, the species is known to gather in large numbers during its migration, where it can be found clustering on trees and other vegetation. So, its migration, the monarch butterfly migrates thousands of miles each year from its summer breeding grounds in the United States and Canada to its winter grounds in Mexico. Cluster behavior, which is observed in migration. The monarch butterfly clusters on trees and other vegetation where it can be found in large numbers. So there are several interesting facts about monarch butterfly. Then first one is migration distance. The monarch butterfly migrates thousands of miles each year, with some individuals traveling up to 3000 miles or more. Generational migration. The monarch butterfly's migration is a generational migration, meaning that it takes several generations to complete the journey from the summer breeding grounds to the wintering grounds. Toxicity. The monarch butterfly is toxic to predators due to the carotenoids it ingests from milkweed plants. As conservation efforts, there are several conservation efforts underway to protect the monarch butterfly and its habitat, including habitat restoration, milkweed planting, pesticide reduction, climate change mitigation, and research monitoring. So, habitat restoration efforts to restore and protect habitats such as meadows and forests, which are essential for the monarch butterfly's survival. Milkweed planting efforts to plant milkweed, the only food source for monarch butterfly larvae, in gardens, parks, and other areas. Pesticide reduction efforts to reduce the use of pesticides which can harm or kill monarch butterflies and the milkweed plants they need to survive. Climate change mitigation efforts to reduce greenhouse gas emissions and mitigate the effects of climate change, which can alter the monarch butterfly's migration patterns and threaten its population. Research and monitoring efforts to study and monitor monarch butterfly populations, habitats, and migration patterns, which can inform conservation efforts and help protect the species. The monarch butterfly is facing several threats to its population, including habitat loss, pesticides use, climate change, lack of food sources, and disease parasites. So, habitat loss, the destruction and degradation of habitats such as meadows and forests due to urbanization, agriculture, and other human activities. Pesticides use, the use of pesticides such as herbicides and insecticides, which can harm or kill monarch butterflies and the milkweed plants they need to survive. Climate change, changes in temperature and precipitation patterns due to climate change, which can alter the monarch butterfly's migration patterns and threaten its population. Lack of food sources. The decline of milkweed plants, which are the only food source of our monarch butterfly larvae, due to habitat loss and pesticide use. Disease and parasites. The spread of diseases and parasites such as the cystic electrocera parasite, which can harm or kill monarch butterflies. Now, it's all about our today topic. So, if you find helpful this video, kindly subscribe, share, and like my YouTube channel, The Nature's Classroom.